Shoulder strength has several benefits beyond aesthetic. Whether it's pushing, pulling, or lifting things overhead, shoulder strength always come into play. It improves your posture, reduces the back pain, and strengthens the muscles surrounding the shoulder. Thus improves the body's posture and gives stability to the body. Hi, I am Tulika, and in today's class I will show you few exercises which will help you to build strength in your shoulder. If you have yet not subscribed the channel, again it's my request to you, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button if you find this video useful and share it among others. Do press the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be always notified. So let's start it. Start by crisscrossing the hands for few times. Now palm facing back, interlace your finger and stretch your arms to get a nice stretch in your shoulder. To get a deeper stretch, bring your head down on the mat, bringing your arms above your shoulder. Stay here for few breaths and come up. Now keep your hands by your side. Bring your hands overhead. Do this for few times. Remember to bring the hands close to the ears. Now join the palms together and hold it for few seconds. Now bring the hands on the floor. Stretch your arms to the sides and hold the right forearm with your left hand and then hold the left forearm with your right hand for few times. This will give a nice stretch to your shoulder muscle. Stretch your arms to the sides and bring it back, holding the left elbow with your right hand. Hold for a while. Now change. Hold the right elbow with your left hand and hold it for a few seconds. These stretches are very effective to make your shoulder muscle flexible. Next, come in tabletop with hand and knees on the floor. Now glide your hands forward, lowering down your chest and chin on the floor. Hold this posture for few seconds. Puppy stretch is another great stretch for chest and shoulder flexibility. Now lift your chest and chin off the floor and come up into seated position with legs bent from knees. From here, glide your hip forward and back without lifting the hands and feet off the floor. Do this for at least 10 times. Now raise the hip up so that the shoulder, hip and knees comes into a straight line. Bring your hips slightly forward and back. Rock in this position for few times without sinking the hips towards the floor. Next, extend both the legs forward without changing the position of the body. Hold it for few seconds without sinking the hips. Also make sure that your shoulders are away from your ears. I'm sure by now you must be feeling strain on your shoulders. Now gently bring down your hips on the floor. If you feel little strain on your wrist after holding these posture, then simply shake them a little. Plank is an excellent exercise to build the strength in the body. From tabletop position, extend both your legs at the back. Tuck your toes and bring your chest forward. Your shoulders should be over your wrist and body should be in a straight line. Engage your core to maintain the position and balance of the body. Hold this posture for few seconds. Now we will do shoulder tap in plank. Engage your core. Lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder and then lift your left shoulder off the floor to tap the right shoulder. Do this for few times. Remember to maintain the plank position by drawing the belly in. Now with left hand on right shoulder, twist toward left side, stacking both the feet together and come in one hand side plank. Remember to keep your core engaged. If keeping the feet stacked is difficult for you in this exercise, then you can keep your feet staggered. This will make this exercise little easy. Now change side, keeping your right hand on left shoulder. Twist to right side and hold the plank position for at least 20 seconds. Now drop your knees on the floor and come in tabletop. Now this time we will hold the plank in our forearm. So place the forearm on the floor, extend both the legs at the back, tuck your toes and squeeze your core muscle to hold the plank for 20 seconds. Remember to not sink your hips down or raise up. Maintain a straight line from head to toe. Now right palm on your left shoulder, stack the feet and twist towards left side. Hold for 20 seconds. Change the side. Now left palm on your right shoulder, twist towards right side and hold the posture for 20 seconds. Then with both the forearm on the floor and maintain the plank position, slide your chest and shoulder forward and back. Do this for at least 10 times. Remember to maintain a straight body line. This exercise will heat up your shoulder muscle and actually you can feel burn in your shoulders. Do this for a couple of times. Drop the knees to the floor to come out from plank. Next, raise your hip to come into downward dog. Hands and feet firmly placed on the ground. Look towards the feet. Start pushing your arms and shoulders towards legs. This will stretch your shoulder and back. Do it for a couple of times. Now bring your feet outside the edge of the mat. Hold your left ankle with your right hand, twisting towards left side. Hold this for a couple of seconds. Then switch side. Hold right ankle with your left hand. and hold this posture for few seconds. After this, come at the center of the mat and sit in yogi squat. Bring your hands inside the inner thigh. Your back should be straight with right hand on the floor. Raise your left arm towards the ceiling and look up. Hold this for few seconds to feel the stretch in your shoulder. Now bind the right hand with your left hand. Remember to keep your back straight and neutral. Be in this posture for a couple of seconds. This will give you a nice stretch in your shoulders. Now switch side with left hand on the floor. Raise your right arm towards the ceiling and look up. Hold this for few seconds. Now bind the left hand with your right hand and be in this pose for few seconds, keeping the back straight and neutral. Now come to child pose, placing your thighs as wide as your mat. Join the heels together and sit on your heels. Spread your arms at the front and drop your chest and forehead on the floor and hold this on your fingertips. This will give you a nice deep stretch in your shoulder. Now place your palms flat on the mat and rest.